Hi guys, in this video we're gonna learn about verb forms. Okay, so take this test and do tell me what's your score in the comment section. And if you want to pause this video and you can solve by your own, you can do it. And do tell me the answers of this worksheet or this test. Okay, so let's start it. She is blank food for dinner. Okay, so verb forms are cook, cooks, cooking. Okay, so whenever blank is there and before that is, that means this is our keyword. If we have is, am, are, was, were before our blank, so the verb takes ing. Okay, so here cooking is the correct answer. She is cooking food for dinner. Okay, now next is he has blank his homework. So here has is our keyword. So what happens, guys? Whenever we have has, have, had before our blank, so it takes past participle. Past participle means V3. Okay, so always verbs third form will come after has, have, had. So as soon as you see has, by seeing this keyword before blank, we will be filling verbs third form. And as we can see, the options are do, does, did, done. So our base form is do, then it is did in second form and done in third form. Okay, so this is the first one, second, then third. So done is the correct answer. Okay, now we will write the answer here. He has done his homework. Now next is he is blank his mistake. Again we have the keyword is here, like question number 1, and after is what we are going to fill. If is, am, are, was, were, any of them is given before blank, we will use verbs first form plus ing. So accepting is the correct answer. He is accepting his mistake. Okay, he doesn't blank TV. Okay, so here keyword is doesn't. Okay, so whenever we have doesn't, didn't, and don't before our blank, what happens? It takes V1, the base form of any verb. Okay, so watch, watches, watched. No es, no ed, no ing. Okay, only one thing, the base form, and this is watch. He doesn't watch TV. Now next is he has blank the promise. Blank, before that what is given? It is has. Has, have, had. What does it take? It take past participle, and break is the first form, broke is second form, and broken is third. So we are going to fill the third form of our verb, broken. Okay, so I hope you have understood where to fill, which verb form to fill, and before which, after which kind of helping verb. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.